Hey everybody, hope you guys are having a good day. I wanted to make a quick video. This will be a really short video. I just wanted to get some feedback for my channel. I did this a while back where I had a Google survey and I put it in the description. And I just kind of asked my subscribers and my viewers, like, where do you want this channel to go? Like, what content do you expect to see me publish when I'm publishing stuff? And along the way, I think I've kind of lost sight of like what my original goals were. Like I started doing more indie hacking stuff, like building my own SaaS products and talking about features I added to that. And then I made videos about marketing my SaaS products. And then I made videos about like AI. And I also made videos about Go and like learning Go and how JavaScript sucks. And then I went back to JavaScript. So I feel like I'm kind of all over the place. And I just want to use this survey, like use your feedback to act as guardrails to make sure that I'm producing the content that you all originally wanted to watch from my channel. And originally my goals were to teach how to code and teach the things that I have learned along the way in my coding journey. I've been coding for like 11 plus years. And I want to make sure that the content I'm producing is giving you value. So at any point, if I'm making videos that seem like they're clickbaity or just like, I'm just going for views, like, please just call me out. Just in a comment, like in a video, be like, yo, this is not what I originally subscribed to. Be sure to remember that survey we all took because we gave you feedback. So I'm going to go through these questions real quick and just kind of explain my thought process, but I have a long response at the bottom. If you guys just want to like, let me have it, just like tell me what I need to do, what I'm not doing right. Question number one, how many years have you been coding? I'm using this to gauge where I need to make my content. If most of the people watching my stuff have been coding for like 1 or 2 years, I know I need to tone it back a little bit because I think sometimes I get into higher level system diagrams that are probably more geared towards seniors and mids who are like working in the industry, just trying to get more perspectives on things. I think I did the survey a while back and like it was just a gambit of like people. I don't know where my subscribers are at this point. So definitely this is the most important one. I want to know where your skill level is. Let's scroll down. This one's also very important. If you were to build your own SaaS product, could you do it without watching a single video? This is like the telltale sign of like, do you even need to watch my channel? If you say yes to this, I know you don't even need to watch my channel, but you do it just because you enjoy listening to me ramble about stuff. If you say no, then there's still content I can make for you that will be valuable. This one's also important. It's kind of a combination of the ones above. What type of professional dev experience do you currently have? 0 professional coding experience, junior, mid, senior, or other. Okay, this also will help me gauge like my content. At least I think it will. Maybe it won't. Next question. Why did you originally subscribe to my channel? This is a multi-choice, so you can actually add in like other here, but I think some people subscribe for different reasons. I do a lot of Next.js content, so I think some people subscribe to learn Next. I think some people just like watching my videos because there's like random pieces of information I throw into videos. Some people watch because they want to be successful and build their own SaaS products. I wouldn't recommend watching my channel for being successful, but I know how to build stuff. I don't have a mentor, so I watch devs on YouTube. I think this is a big one. I know how to code. I just like watching a familiar face in the same industry. I think that one's also kind of relatable. System design stuff. I published a lot of videos about system design, React challenges, and beginner related stuff, latest updates in web dev. So if you can think of anything else of why you would want to watch my channel, like just put it there and I'll try to like realign what I'm doing on this channel. All right, you still with me? I only got 4 more questions. What are your thoughts about AI and coding videos? Some people just hate AI and they want me to stop using autocomplete when I teach. I can hear their perspective. I think it's good. Some people think that autocomplete's fine as long as I explain the code when it's autocompleting and why I accepted it. And then also if you just like want to become more proficient at cursor and AI tools, this is an option for you. I highly doubt people are going to pick this one. Would you be interested in joining more community projects? This is something that I wish I did more of, community projects. It's just hard to juggle all those. So I need people, if people say yes to this, I need people who are going to hold that torch and actually like be in charge of leading the project. And I'm just there to help guide it. Okay. If I switch to some type of game dev content, would you watch? Yes or no? This is something that's been in the back of my mind. Like I just want to make a game at some point. But I know it's probably going to kill my channel, but I'd have fun doing it. And then, do you follow my X account? The reason I'm asking this is because sometimes I market on X, and I just want a better understanding of like who found my YouTube channel from X or who follows me on X, and then will go to my YouTube channel when I publish something stupid on X. And then finally, what other type of content would you like to see me make? So this is a long answer. You put whatever you want here. You can put some hate mail, you can put some love mail, whatever you want. Just let me know. So I'll put the link in a pinned comment in the description. Just taking some 5 minutes to answer this would really help my channel, I think, hopefully. And yeah, I'll use this to kind of gauge what I do in the future. Have a good day. Happy coding.